Do you want to know if you can roll over a 401k into a Roth IRA? In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this process, its benefits, and potential drawbacks. Let's start. Rolling over a 401k to a Roth IRA can be a smart move for many, but it's crucial to understand the implications fully. First, let's address the tax implications. Rolling over a traditional 401k into a Roth IRA is a taxable event. This means you'll have to pay income tax on the converted amount because Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax dollars. Depending on the size of your 401k account, this could push you into a much higher tax bracket, so it's essential to do the math before proceeding. Ensure you're eligible to receive a distribution from your 401k. You can roll over eligible distributions to a Roth IRA or a designated Roth account with the same plan if allowed. To initiate the rollover, you need to contact your IRA provider. They can assist with the necessary paperwork and ensure compliance with IRS regulations. The easiest way to perform a rollover is through a direct trustee-to-trustee transfer. This method involves transferring your funds directly from your 401k account to your new Roth IRA account, minimizing the risk of errors and penalties. When rolling over a 401k to a Roth IRA, you must consider the long-term tax benefits. While you're paying taxes upfront, Roth IRAs offer tax-free growth and withdrawals in retirement. This can be particularly advantageous if you expect to be in the higher tax bracket in the future. Another benefit of Roth IRA is that they do not require minimum distributions or RMDs, unlike traditional retirement accounts. This allows you to leave your money in the account for as long as you like, letting it grow tax-free indefinitely. However, it's important to consult a financial advisor to understand the implications specific to your situation. They can help you evaluate whether rolling over your 401k to a Roth IRA is the right move for you. When you roll over a 401k to a Roth IRA, the rolled over funds are added to your taxable income for the year. This can significantly increase your tax bill, so it's crucial to plan ahead. You may need to make estimated tax payments to avoid penalties, calculate your estimated payments, and meet the quarterly payment deadlines to ensure you stay compliant with IRS rules. To initiate a rollover, first open an IRA account with a financial institution. You can do this at any major brokerage firm, mutual fund company, or robo-advisor. Once your IRA account is set up, contact the company managing your 401k to begin the rollover process. They'll guide you through the steps and help ensure everything is done correctly. If you choose an indirect rollover where the funds are distributed directly to you, remember that you have 60 days to deposit the funds into your IRA account to avoid taxes and penalties. However, most people prefer the direct rollover method to avoid these risks. Paying taxes on your contributions is a significant consideration. The funds you roll over are added to your taxable income for the year, so you must be prepared to cover the tax bill. If the additional income from the rollover pushes you into a higher tax bracket, your overall tax liability could increase substantially. It's crucial to do the math and possibly make estimated tax payments to stay compliant with IRS rules. If you're converting a large balance to a Roth IRA, consider spreading the conversion over several years to minimize the tax impact. By converting smaller amounts each year, you can potentially keep yourself in a lower tax bracket and reduce your overall tax burden. This strategy can help you manage your tax liability more effectively while still taking advantage of the benefits of a Roth IRA. Consulting with a financial advisor can help you make informed decisions and ensure the rollover process aligns with your financial goals. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on retirement planning and investment strategies. Your financial success starts today.